Hello there, I'm Chef Johnny, and this is Texas Style Barbecue and Cuisine. Appreciate you being here. Now, I tell you what, got the Blackstone out tonight. We're making burgers. We are going to do a bacon and egg smash burger, so stick around. Let me show you how it's done. Get this started. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cook up some bacon. Got my griddle nice and hot. While my bacon's frying, let's get over here and let me show you how I'm going to make the patty. You can see how these little chubs come. It's 1 pound increments is what you get it in. There's two little half-pound pieces in here. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to eyeball these and pretty much cut them right in half. These are already packed to a degree, so they're not fresh ground. So it's going to be hard to really do them a real loose pack. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of form them into a meatball. So I'll just, not real big. I don't want to pack it real hard. About like that. So get us 4 little meatballs up here. You can tell it's not packing a whole lot. But we're gonna smash them, so I don't really know if that's a problem or not. But we're just going to make these meatballs up out of this nice. And this hamburger meat, it's from Matador prime steaks. I don't remember if I said that before, but they are fantastic. They sent this out to me, and we're making some burgers with these, and I think these smash burgers are going to be excellent. We're just going to make these into nice little round meatballs, about 1/4 pound a piece. You can tell one's a little bigger than the other one. Not going to hurt us. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put some seasoning on these. And for tonight, I'm just going to add some Bollner's fajita seasoning. This is just their regular fajita seasoning. Y'all have heard me say time and time again that I love this seasoning. And I tell you what, if y'all order something from Bollner's, tell them Chef Johnny from Texas Style Cuisine sent you over there. Maybe they'll start paying a little attention to me on here, right? Let's see what we're doing. Got a good little amount of seasoning on there. And with each one of those, I have got some parchment paper. And I'm going to put each one on its own little parchment paper right here. And if you wanted to, you could cut these where they were smaller pieces. I'm not going to worry about it. This is just the size they came in. So there we go. Let's get back to the griddle, check our bacon. And if it's ready, we're going to start cooking our patties. Bacon's ready. I'm gonna get it off. Set it on my cooling rack over there. Let it go. And I'm gonna let the heat come up on this a little bit. I want to get a nice sizzle on these. That's one thing about doing a smash burger is that you get a good crust on it. So we're gonna let the temperature come up. Cooking it with that bacon grease gonna give it a whole lot of flavor. So just as soon as it's ready, we're gonna plop these down on there and get them going. All right, these are looking good. I'm gonna plop this down on there. And I don't have one of those fancy round ones. You're going to use my bacon press, but pull my paper back. Smash that down. You can hear the sizzle. Take it off, and there we go. It's going. Get that parchment paper off. There we go. Now that they're smashed, I'm going to throw a little more fajita seasoning up on them. There we go. We're going to let those cook about halfway through and get them flipped over. You can see this moisture starting to puddle up on the top. That tells us these are getting ready to flip. That first one we put down is looking about ready to flip. Let's see how it does. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice caramelization on there. If we flip this one, turn loose, it should be ready. Oh yeah, woo, that looks real good, even better. There we go. Look at that. These will be nice, get a little crunch on them. Flip this last one. Now to go on top of these, I'm going to drop some cheese on them. Little jalapeno jack cheese. We go with 2 on each one. Get plenty of cheese on these. And it looks like on one piece, I may slide a piece of cheddar on that one. All right, this is gonna get a piece of cheddar on it. Even it out. Now, let's see here. Won't quite fit. Let's slide them together a little bit. Cover them up, let that cheese melt. We'll get them off of here. Bet our cheese is melted. Sure has. We can get those off. All right, let's cook up our eggs. All right, let's get these eggs on here. 2 eggs. Now I'm gonna put my buns on here and toast them up while the eggs are cooking. Always toast your buns. The eggs are looking pretty. Let's see if we can get them off. Little sunny side up egg. We're gonna start putting this burger together. It's gonna be a big burger and it's gonna be a tasty burger, so let's see what we do. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add some Chipotle mayo to these buns. I've just got some Chipotles in adobo and chopped them up. And I use some of the sauce and some of the Chipotles on here, but we're gonna get plenty of that on these toasted buns. You can see that Chipotle pepper in there. Oh yeah, it's gonna be real good. We're gonna start off with leaf lettuce. Got some pretty leaf lettuce here. Wife picked up at the store a while ago. That on, tomato, beautiful red tomato. Now I'm going with a beef patty with some of that jalapeno jack cheese. Second patty on there. We're gonna get some bacon on here. About 3 pieces of bacon. I like bacon on them. Now on top of that, we're going to go with a pretty sunny side up egg right on top. I don't know about y'all, but to really get the full effects of this, I think we need to break that egg. Let that yolk run down. There you have it. That's a big burger. And if we go back over what we did, put our bacon on the fry, got that going. We made our smash burgers out of our prime hamburger meat we got in here from Matador Prime Steaks, an 80-15 mix. Got those on the griddle with a little parchment paper, smashed them down, got those cooked, toasted our buns, fried up some eggs, sunny side up on the Blackstone, lettuce, tomato, and of course we melted some jalapeno jack cheese on top of our patty. So this thing's ready to go, and we got that Chipotle mayo on it. So it's packed with flavor. We're gonna see if we can take a bite of this burger. I don't know what's gonna happen, but we're gonna smash it down, try to get it in our mouth and see if we can get a bite of it. So let's see what happens. There's bets going on behind the camera that I cannot take a bite of this burger. So let's see what we can do. All right, you gotta get the lean on. Here we go. Now, I'll tell you what, folks, there ain't nothing wrong with that. Bacon and egg smash burger on the Blackstone, Matador Prime Steaks, ground meat. This thing came out fantastic. You need to try it. You need to tell your friends and family about it. Share it on your social media so everybody knows what's going on here on Texas Style Barbecue and Cuisine. I'm Chef Johnny, and I will see you down the road.